We take a look at what's going on. Here is Lee, right smack in the center, and it's right between, say, the Lesser Antilles, the Cabo Verde Islands, right into some pretty warm waters. Waters are at least 86 degrees or so. Currently at a Category 2, and look at the beautiful eye on that starting to develop as that storm's really compact, moves off to the west-northwest at about 15 miles per hour. Winds jumped up quickly all the way up to 105 miles per hour, did gain rapid intensification, and that is when it grows up, gets some winds, 35 miles per hour or stronger in a 24-hour period. Now, when you look at the pressure, the blue line here, remember the blue line, as the pressure drops, the storm gets stronger, the winds get stronger, and we're certainly seeing that. We're already seeing those winds up to 105 miles per hour. Take a look at this, though. Thursday, they were 80 miles per hour, and just like that, up to 105 miles per hour as of the 11 a.m. advisory. Here's what we have for the Saffir-Simpson scale. A reminder for you, this only goes to Category 5, and when you get to Category 5, you're talking winds of 157 miles per hour or greater. Considered catastrophic as far as damage when you talk about Category 4 or Category 5. Category 1, Category 2, here's some of the damage, some extensive and devastating. But again, once those winds reach 157, those are max sustained winds or greater, you have Category 5. That's the extent of the scale. That's where it's at, and we'll watch this closely. Now, two scenarios we're watching closely here. First, you've got a nice dip in the jet. You've got also the subtropical jet down to the south here, and this trough. You also have the Bermuda high here, clockwise rotation here. And meantime, how strong does Lee get? And how strong is that Bermuda high? Plus, how far south does this trough dig? This would open the door to maybe just kind of push it right up. Remember, these storms are looking for the path of least resistance, and this would take it up to the north and northwest. This is going to be scenario 1. Of course, you'll feel the impacts as far as the swells. Taking a look at scenario number 2 here, we're watching that ridge. How far does that ridge go, and does that trough dig down even lower there? And how strong is it? At this point, here's where you're looking at the path of the least resistance. Continues to move up closer to maybe even Canada, but nonetheless, it's still a question, especially when you're looking at this storm for the next 7 to 10 days. It's a tough call. Now, when you look at the track, there's a good agreement that it's all going to go to the north-northwest until it gets just north of the Lesser Antilles. After that, you've got a question. Where does it go? Does it go directly up to the north and northeast? We'll watch that closely for you.